What parts do different vehicles have? Let's learn some of them. A wheel. A steering wheel. You use it for controlling a car or other vehicle. Seat belt. A strong belt in a car or plane that you fasten around yourself to hold you in your seat. Driving seat. The seat where you sit when you are driving a car. A windscreen. A large glass window at the front of a vehicle. Windscreen wipers. A long thin tool that moves across a vehicle's windscreen to wipe the rain off it. Pedal. A part that you push with your foot in order to operate a bicycle, vehicle, or machine. Handlebars. The part of a bicycle or motorcycle that you hold with your hands and use for controlling it. Headlight. One of the two lights on the front of a vehicle used for driving at night.